Hello everyone. Today we will study functions of liver. In the last video we have studied the parts of the liver and the structure of the hepatic lobule. So let's start the topic. Just a minute. Functions of liver. First function is secretion and synthesis of bile. As we know that hepatocytes secretes the bile in the bile canaliculi, and from there it is drained by the interlobular bile duct, and then it reaches the gallbladder where it is concentrated. So first function is synthesis of bile. Second function, the important function, is carbohydrate metabolism. In first type of carbohydrate metabolism, that is glycogenesis. Glycogenesis means synthesis of glucose. Glycogenesis means synthesis of glycogen from glucose. Glycogen is synthesized from glucose. Now second type of carbohydrate metabolism, that is glycogenolysis. Whenever the blood glucose level decreases, so the liver start breaking down the glycogen stores. Then the third type is gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis means synthesis of glucose source other than carbohydrate, that is gluconeogenesis. And the last type is glyconeogenesis, means synthesis of glycogen from lactic acid. And very much important function of liver, that is conversion of ammonia to urea. Ammonia formula is what? NH3. It is converted to less toxic, that is CO NH2 twice. That this is urea and that is ammonia. Moving to the next function, fourth function of liver, that is storage of fats and fat soluble vitamin. What is fat soluble vitamin? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. A-DEC, it is a trick. A-DEC. So liver stores vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. These all are fat soluble vitamins. Liver also stores vitamin B12. And the fifth function of liver is synthesis of plasma protein. All of the plasma protein are synthesized by the liver except gamma globulin. So what are the all plasma protein? First type, that is albumin, then globulin. It is of three type: globulin alpha, globulin beta and globulin gamma. In gamma we see all the antibody IgG, IgM, these all. So alpha and beta is synthesized by liver, and this gamma is synthesized by lymphoid organ. Now sixth function of liver, that is synthesis of prothrombin and fibrinogen. Prothrombin and fibrinogen are also what? Plasma protein. Now the seventh function of liver is synthesis of some clotting factor. These are 2, 7, 9 and 10. So how we will remember? I will show you one trick for remembering this. The trick is Dusand. From do you can remember 2, factor number 2. SA means factor number 7. Then N for factor number 9. And the for in Hindi we call das, 10. So like this you can remember 2, 7, 9, 10. Now the eighth function of liver, once again I have written this. So now the eighth function of liver, that is synthesis of heparin. Heparin is what? It is a natural blood anticoagulant. So it prevents the blood from coagulation. And the ninth function of liver is synthesis of vitamin A. Before I told liver stores fats and fat soluble vitamin. Vitamin A, D, E, K it stores, and it also stores vitamin B12. And now I'm saying that it also synthesizes the vitamin. It synthesizes vitamin A from beta carotene. A good source of beta carotene is what? Carrot. Vitamin A is responsible for vision of the eye. Then the 10th function of liver is storage of ferrous, copper, zinc, cobalt and molybdenum. So ferrous is stored in large amount. So you should remember this. Then the 11th function of liver is detoxification. Whenever we take any medicine, it is detoxified by which organ? By liver. Then the last function of liver is hemopoiesis. Liver also made RBC in the embryonic stage, not in adult stage. So these all are about the function of the liver. Thank you for watching the video.